Life is full of surprises. Some are good, some are challenging. One of those challenges, dealing with irregular income, it can feel like you're on a financial roller coaster with unpredictable highs and lows, but fear not, you can absolutely thrive, even with an income that's anything but steady. Let's explore how to navigate this together. We'll uncover practical tips and strategies to help you budget wisely, save consistently, and build a secure financial future. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the ins and outs of irregular income, you can gain control and create a plan that works for you. So buckle up and let's get started. Irregular income is exactly what it sounds like, income that varies from month to month. This could be due to freelance work, seasonal jobs, commissions, or any other type of employment where your paychecks aren't consistent. The challenge? Traditional budgeting methods often rely on fixed income, making it tricky to plan and manage your money effectively. But don't worry, there are ways to overcome this hurdle. The key is to shift your mindset and embrace flexibility. Instead of focusing on a fixed monthly budget, we'll explore how to create a dynamic plan that adapts to your unique income stream. Flexibility is key. You might want to set aside goals. Saving money with an irregular income can feel like a challenge, but it's not impossible. Many people face this issue, especially freelancers, gig workers, and those with seasonal jobs. The key is to develop a strategy that works for you. The key is to make it a habit, no matter how small the amount. Consistency is crucial. By regularly setting aside even a tiny portion of your income, you can build a safety net over time. Start by setting a realistic savings goal. Think about what you want to achieve and break it down into manageable steps. This could be anything from an emergency fund to a vacation or a down payment on a house. It doesn't have to be a huge sum. Even small amounts add up over time. Celebrate your small wins to stay motivated. Each coin you save is a step closer to your goal. Consider setting up automatic transfers to a separate savings account. This way, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. This way, you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. Remember, every bit counts. Over time, these small, consistent efforts will lead to significant savings. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it's a step in the right direction. The important thing is to start and keep going, no matter how small the contributions. Over time, these small savings will grow, providing a financial cushion for unexpected expenses or future goals. This financial cushion can give you peace of mind and the freedom to pursue your dreams without constant financial stress. Start today and watch your financial stability grow brick by embracing the unexpected, turning challenges into opportunities. Irregular income comes with its share of challenges, but it also presents unique opportunities. Embrace the flexibility, use it to pursue passions, explore new career paths, or spend more time with loved ones. Remember, life is about more than just a paycheck. View this as a chance to design a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. Embrace the freedom and autonomy that comes with irregular income. It allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and create a work-life balance that suits your needs. Take control of your finances. You've got this. Managing irregular income can feel overwhelming, but remember, you've got this. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can take control of your finances and create a more secure future. Remember to celebrate your successes along the way. Every step you take towards financial wellness is a victory worth acknowledging. So be kind to yourself, stay persistent, and never underestimate your ability to achieve your financial goals. You've got the power to create a bright and financially secure future for yourself. Join the journey to financial wellness. Want more tips and inspiration on navigating the world of personal finance? Subscribe to Online with Teresa today. Join our community of like-minded individuals and let's conquer our financial goals together. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What are your biggest challenges with irregular income? What strategies have worked best for you? Let's learn and grow together.